tutorial on an old Tears for Fears song called The Hurting. Really kind of a great progression with all this chromatic stuff going on, but it opens on the drum beat and then this sort of droning sort of sound on this the C sharp, and then the melody that it plays is starting here. This is the 6th fret of the G string, and then you go back a whole step, right? So back a whole step, so you're going from basically like a C sharp to a B, right? And then you go, so then you got this, this right here is an F, so, and you go back to the B, and then you're going up to that G sharp, right? So that's the first half of that opening melody. And the second half of the melody is where you start on the F sharp right here, or sorry, the B, this B note right here. So then you go over to, which is the F sharp. So it's all on the 4th fret right there. And then, and then it just, the chord progression for the chorus, the verse. So it's C sharp major, B to an A flat minor, right? Or G sharp minor, whatever you want to call it. So, and then after the second time, it goes into this transition. So it does that a couple times. So it's G, but I play it with sort of the open E, but I don't play the bass. I just play this sustained high E. And then it's chromatic, so G, F sharp, F. And then it goes back to the... so that's the same, but then the bridge is really great. It does this, so it's A minor, B, or B flat, to F. So you can play it like this too. And I'm playing that with this the high E string open. So once again, so A minor, B flat major, to an F major, to a G, and that's how the song goes. It just repeats.